How to open HSBC bank account online UK. So if you want to open HSBC bank account online UK, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your browser, and on your browser you need to search for HSBC Bank. Once you've searched, you need to scroll down and go with the bank account option. Click on bank account and again scroll all the way down, and you will have an option to apply for sole account or apply for a joint account. You can simply choose any option that you're comfortable with. I'll choose a sole account or personal account. Now it will take you to the eligibility section. So if you're not an existing HSBC customer, and if you're aged 18 years or above, and you currently live in the UK or one of the following countries, which is you can simply go with the drop down and go with the eligible country. Make sure you have this eligibility, and then you need to scroll down, and here it will take you to the information and documents you may need for the application. So your address for the last 3 years and your employment details, your income details, your proof of identity and address. And if you're applying for outside UK, you'll need to provide certified proof of your address translated into English. So make sure you have all of these documents and then go with confirm and start. And there are 5 steps. So on the first step, you need to enter your personal details. So you need to tell us a bit about yourself. All questions are mandatory unless indicated. So you can simply tell about yourself a bit, and then you need to enter your email address here in this blank, and you need to enter the title, which is Mr., Mistress, Miss, or anything like that. So I'll just simply choose an example. And you need to go with your first and your last name or the surname, like family name. And have you ever had any previous names or any other names, or in your gender, your date of birth, your place of birth, your nationality, country or region, or in citizenship, and then your marital status, the number of dependent children and everything, and then go with continue, which is right here. And after that, it will take you to the next step, which is the second step of contact details. So you need to enter your phone number with the region code or the country code, and then your current residential address, like your country or region, and you need to enter when did you move to this address. And after that, go with continue, and again it will take you to the third step where you need to enter your personal details like your documentation, IDs and everything. And in the same way, you need to go with continue and just follow the steps that it will ask you. And after that, your account will be created. But make sure that you enter your genuine documents and your genuine address. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.